Right, clear off sheet. Hello there. Today I'm unboxing, just come in the mail just now, is a Lorry oil heater for a van. For my van specifically. So I'm going to open this box and see what I got inside. This is from China. And I got it from off the internet. It just arrived just now. So you know as much as I know. We'll see what's inside. Well, there seems to be two parts in here. Polystyrene part. So I'll see what's in here first. Now that there is the 12-volt heater for the van. Now I believe, from what I've seen, you have an end nut and an outlet, and it blows the hot air around the vehicle. So that's the main part we've come to see. It seems to be pretty well made. I don't know if that's real carbon fibre. I don't expect it is because it's from China. But it looked good. There's a nice red gasket there. So I'll put that to the side for just a moment, so we can see what other parts. So I can see what other parts come inside the box included. So I see here. I'll get that put out in a moment. There seems to be this secondary box. Well wrapped. This seems to be all the fittings and fixtures that are needed in the building of this here heater. So what's in the box? There's this 2mm steel plate, a flexible tube. I think that's about 3 meters worth or 2 meters worth of see-through tubing. This is the electrical side of it. We'll have a bit more look at that later on when we install it. A selection of cable ties, a filter of some sort. Looks like that goes on there, I'm not sure. But another aluminium tubing. Plenty of connections in there. As nuts, bolts, there seems to be a fuel filter in there for the oil, so you don't get no bits burning. Very precise length of tube. That to me looks like a cylinder of some sort that allows, it says here 12 volts to 22, and I expect that connects on part of that electrical wiring in there. I don't know if I don't see any instructions in the box, but I hope there are some. This seems to be ventilation, and I expect this is all just the more aluminium pipe there. It's about 2.5 inch aluminium pipe. More. Some sort of connector there. I don't know what's in here. This might be the instructions. How are you supposed to get into this thing? I don't know. Ah, seems to be some sort of small computer like screen for making your heating accurate a nice display there. I'll put that back in there and I'll put that to the side. So let's see what else we got in there in this box. That's that. Here's the fuel tank. I think there's something in there as well. What's in there? Aha, I see what they've done there. They've been quite frugal and they've put that inside to save space. There seems to be some sort of connector for your pipes and your bits. I expect those screws that came in the box there actually go through the holes here for holding it tight. And last but not least, we have the instructions here. So you can see how talk about the power supply, all stuff on there, and hopefully we'll be able to fit this in the van so it won't be so cold. That's a 10-litre tank there. So that's unboxing my new heater. Thank you very much for watching.